Hey, this is Brandon from Sing Second Podcast. I know it's summertime and college football seems it's pretty far off, but 100 days or less sneaks up on you pretty fast. And we have a lot to do between now and the first kickoff. Some of those things include listening to the Sing Second Podcast, buying preseason mags. Gotta check those out. Get the ones that have your favorite team on the cover, and then get super mad when they talk smack about your team. And the third thing, which is crucial, you need to be coming up with ideas for tailgate and game day recipes. Today, we're starting a new little thing on Sing Second where we are going to be introducing some easy tailgate recipes with things that are commonly found around the house. What's on the menu? The po' boy. This is our recipe that I'm going to be using for a couple games, or maybe one game this year, called the po' boy. Is this authentic? No. Is it accurate in any way to an actual po' boy? I doubt it. I seriously doubt it. The faux boy. This is the faux boy sandwich, patented by Sing Second on this day. We're going to use some things that were just around the house to put into this. If you don't have the right kind of buns for it, we're just going to use hot dog buns. That's what I had available today. I didn't have different type of sausage, but I had some bratwurst. We're going to take this stuff and we're going to make it into something that'd be kind of tasty on game day. So what do we got for some recipes for the sauce? It's all in the sauce. We have a little Tabasco, my fave, Grey Poupon mustard on here, paprika, some minced garlic, some Old Bay seasoning. Hashtag spoiler alert. Maybe later in the season we'll talk a little Krabby Fries, but that's for another day. Good old Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire sauce. I don't know how you say it, but this is my go-to. I put it in pretty much everything. Got a little mayo, and we have pickle. You can put pickle juice in this, but I like to hold pickle juice in a special place in my heart that involves a story with Andy Reid, the Philadelphia Eagles, pickle juice, and the Dallas Cowboys. Hashtag spoiler alert, Eagles won. I cut up these pickles already because I didn't have any relish on hand. First, the mayo. This kind is Kraft with olive oil. That might be keto friendly, I'm not sure. If you're a keto person out there. Alright, that's pretty close to a cup. I'm just going to use this spoon and scoop it all out. Step 2, add our pickles or relish. I'm going to carefully scrape these into the mayo. Next step, lemon juice. If you look carefully, this is not a natural lemon, all right? There's actually markings on there. So, but it kind of works similar in that you squeeze it and you add it. All right, next thing we're gonna add the dry spices. This is a teaspoon. This is dry spice number 1, paprika. This we actually got not too long ago. We have smoked paprika too, but I don't like it as much. I like the regular paprika. There we go. 1 teaspoon paprika. Next one, we got the minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic, but I'm trying to use what we have in the house. Boom. Last but not least of the dry seasonings, we have the Old Bay, which will give it a nice little seafoody type of flavor, I guess. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Pretty good right there, I believe. 1 teaspoon of the Grey Poupon. I'm not gonna punish you through the obvious Wayne's World reference. Shake it off into there. And then these ones, gonna eyeball these as well. Worcestershire sauce. Where I come from, that's how we were raised to say it. I'm gonna go a couple splashes and see what that looks like. Tabasco sauce, I like Tabasco sauce a lot. I'm going to be eating this with my family who don't always like the super spiciness. So I'm just gonna kind of put in a couple little shakes in there. Boom. It's all in here in the spoon. All right, I'm going to be stirring this up. It's here in the spoon. It's here in the bowl. I'm stirring it with my spoon. All this technical kitchen jargon. Real consistent. You want this to be real consistent. Now that I have a lot of those lumps out, minus the pickles, they're gonna stay, but the other kind of lumpy stuff is all out. I'm then gonna put this in the fridge and just let it chill until we're ready to put it on the Faux Boy tonight. I'm going with the old grill, so there's some lump charcoal in here. I put just a little bit of some wood chips in there to kind of help it spread out the flame over the charcoal a little bit. Give us a little smoke, even though these will heat up pretty fast. The brats, I'm gonna put them underneath, and I'm gonna put the shrimp up on the little warmer since they've already been, you know, pre-cooked or whatever. I'm gonna bring the temperature of this probably up to 300-ish, you know, wherever it gets, like if I was gonna do brats or hot dogs or something. And I might put them on just a little bit earlier to kind of get a little bit more smoke in there. So here we have the shrimp. This is just like the pre-cooked kind that comes in the bag, so I don't have to be extra careful about it getting all done. Be sure to check if yours is not pre-cooked. I don't want you getting shrimp worms. I'm gonna add just a little of some olive oil. Back to the old olive oil. Unsung hero today. I'm gonna just drizzle this a little bit on the top. Not trying to put too much on there. I'm gonna go a little stressful on camera. Then we got some Slap Ya Mama seasoning. This is pretty good. It's really good on popcorn if you haven't had this. And I didn't show this in the original ingredients because I kind of forgot about it. I forgot we had it. I think it'll be kind of good on the shrimp. Adds a little spice to it. And then we just have some pepper. Every time when I pour this into this container, I'm always like, careful, careful, they run all over. Christmas Story. The shrimp's like, I didn't get that much pepper. Well, there you are, shrimp. You're just as important as the rest of them. We have these set, and they are almost ready for the grill. It looks like we are ready to put the shrimp on the Barbie. So, like I said before, I'm just gonna put these brats on the charcoal here on the lower grate. Then I'm gonna carefully grab this shrimp. Just kind of set it up here. Good. Ring game next to the barbecue grill. Crucial. Time to open up this grill for the first time. I have not recently looked under here at all to see if they were ready. Give the grill a little burp. Let it little burp, a little smoke out of there. The Red Dragon. Oh my gosh. It looks like everything's pretty much done. Well, would you look at that? We are all done. I cut up the brats, put some shrimp on here, got a hot dog bun. Sometimes you can toast these. I didn't. I kind of spaced it off. I didn't really think about it until now. But sometimes that's good too. And here is the sauce. I'm just going to take this with a knife and just going to kind of spread it on both sides on here. Hoagie buns work a little bit better because you got a little more real estate, you know. Sometimes if you have like cabbage or some kind of lettuce or something or a little tomato, you can put them over that as well too. There we have it. I'm not going to take a bite and eat this in front of everybody. I'm one of those people who I don't like to eat in front of people I don't really know. I'll have it later and we'll see how it goes. So again, thanks for joining me today on this little simple tailgate recipe. Also listen to us Sing Second. We're all over the place online. The easiest way is on Twitter to find our links whenever we post new live episodes on there, at Sing Second. We're also on Instagram, and we are on Facebook. Yeah, and now YouTube. So let us know what you think of that. Like and subscribe. We're all going to be adding a bunch of different content onto this just to kind of expand our name out there and try to reach as many people who love college football as much as we do as possible. This is Brandon saying grill first and sing second.